children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, this is our English book. So all of you take out this book and children open page number 28. Children, today we will learn here sound of vowel O. The sound O. So children, first of all read these words. Big picture this. Top. T-O-P. Top. T-O-P. Top. And this P-O-T. Pot. And big picture this. Do you like dogs? Yeah, I know you are like. And what is the spelling of dog? Okay. D-O-G. Dog. And big picture this. This is frog. And what is the spelling of frog? F-R-O-G. Frog. And big picture this. This is cow. Cow gives us milk. Okay. So what is the spelling of cow? C-O-W. Cow. So children, read some more words with O sound. Like this. Odd. Pod, rod, nod, dot. Og. Hog, dog, fog, frog. You have to read like this all words. Okay? And I will show some words, so all of you watch carefully. Vowel O. Sound A. 3-letter words. We will start here. 3-letter words. Vowel O. Sound A. Okay. P-O-T. Pot. Pot. This picture. Pot. B-O-Y. Boy. Boy. And F-O-X. Fox. Fox. C-O-T. Cot. Cot. H-O-T. Hot. Hot. D-O-G. Dog. Dog. So children, you have to read like this sound of vowel O. First of all, read out some words. After that, start writing in your English copy. Write 10 words in your English copy. First of all, read out. After that, start writing 10-letter word. Okay, bye-bye. Have a nice day.